Here goes Anna. Oh, it's not Anna, by the way. It's the wrong name. Sorry, people.
Oh, hi,
Delete,
Anna.
delete. Can you delete? Start again.
Jackie and Anna are out today.
My God, you're really.
Here goes Anna. Where's Anna?
Anna is
Anna?
at
Where's
Warbits.
Jackie?
Hardware. Doon siya pupunta sa hardware.
You can do what you want.
I think we have to go. I'll just ask.
Just ask this one. That I
It works here, honey. I
oh,
think it.
this one.
Might be near the paint.
No, this one.
Hello.
Hello, miss.
We were looking for adhesives. Are they over near the paint?
That's right. Yeah.
Thank you.
On the back wall.
Very good.
Ask which one is the best.
Free.
There. But you don't have a machine, do you? You don't have a.
So do you see what the man have bought for you like this?
We better find someone.
Yeah. That's what I told you.
Okay, Sally.
I'll look for someone. This one. Ay. Guys, I'm looking for someone to assist us because Charlie don't know. Hi, can you assist us? Because we don't know what to buy.
I'll get change for you.
Okay. Can you help us? Because my friend and we don't know which one to buy for the tiles that was put on the outside.
after for tiles?
No, is it cement or adhesive? That's why.
If you go to the paint department, they sell the adhesives. They will
Yes,
help you
but
there.
we don't know which one.
They will help you there. From
No
the
one,
paint
no
department.
one, no one's there.
There's no one's there.
That's why I'm looking
Need
for someone.
for paint department. Must be someone there.
Not no one. That's why they
We'll
were.
call someone for you. Yeah.
Yeah, please. Someone will come. Nice. Ay. Good morning. Can you help us? But they're looking for someone. We don't know which one to buy. We're on the tiles that on that side. Oh, my husband is there.
Okay.
We don't know which one to buy. This one. Somebody, I saw someone to help us.
Is someone coming?
Yeah.
Good.
I just want to check for concrete floors only, indoor and outdoor. Maybe this is the one.
I think that one. But better to make sure.
Hello, please can you advise my neighbour who's got a tile and it looks like it's outside
Outside, bricks.
and they're coming off.
Okay.
So
Should she use that again or would you recommend something else, please?
Probably, yeah, just a tile adhesive.
But that's for...
Inside only.
Inside, outdoor, for
Oh.
walls and floors. That's the
Okay.
most universal tile set.
I see.
That's the smallest quantity we have,
which is...
5 kilos.
oh, that's nice.
26.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I think that's all right.
So,
Thank you for
Thank you.
assisting us.
Right. No problem.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
okay.
At least we have the right one. So guys, sadly have found the right one. Ang ganda. Balang araw, pupunta ko sa Pinas. Yung nabili ko medyo maliit eh. Pagka nabenta ko yung aking malaking bahay. Ipapagawa ko. Nangarap si Inday. Ang haba na ilig. Ay! Minala lang kami ni Sally para makabigyo.
Hindi na bibili daw. Wala na kang bili kasi bili lang damit.
Uy, maganda yan. Anuhan mo na, patungan mo ng, syempre naka-long sleeve ka. Ay. I don't care. Alam nyo, ako yung passion guru ni Sally. And just hello guys, love you all.